This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bluetooth device to your Ford Fusion. First, please make sure your vehicle is safely in park and the engine is running. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings. You'll want to turn on Bluetooth and ensure it's discoverable, allowing your car to find it. This initial preparation is key for a smooth connection process. Now, let's move to your Ford Fusion's infotainment system. On the sync screen, locate and press the phone button. If no phones are currently paired, you'll likely see an option to add Bluetooth device or add phone. Select that. Your sync system will then instruct you to search for sync on your mobile device, preparing for the next step. With your sync system ready, return to your phone's Bluetooth menu. You should now see sync listed as an available device. Tap to select it. A 6-digit personal identification number, or PIN, will then display on both your phone and the car's sync screen. Carefully confirm that these two numbers match exactly, then accept the pairing on both your phone and the sync system. Once the PIN is confirmed, your sync system may ask if you'd like to download your phone book or set this device as the primary phone. Respond to these prompts as you prefer. Congratulations! Your phone is now successfully connected via Bluetooth, allowing you to enjoy hands-free calls, text messages, and stream your favorite audio directly through your Ford Fusion's sound system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.